Welcome. In front of me is some fake Samsung phone, and today I will show you how to enable the portable hotspot on it. And to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, navigate to Connections right at the top and choose More, where you'll find Tethering and Portable Hotspot. And from here we can select Wi-Fi Hotspot, then choose Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And in here, again, number one, change the name of the network. Then below that we have a password. You can tap on Show Password and see that it's some randomly generated password. You also have the ability to remove it and set your own, as long as it has 8 characters in length. There we go. And once you scroll down, lastly you have the maximum amount of people that can connect to your hotspot when it's turned on. So by default set to 6. We can make it a little bit less than 6, so there we go. And from there select Save, and see, I would be able to turn it on normally, but I believe I need to have a SIM card inserted, so right now it's grayed out, but that's where the toggle is, so you need to just simply tap on it to turn it on, and that's about it. Let me actually make sure one more thing. Oh, there we go. It was actually the airplane mode. So from here you can turn it on. And see if there's, yep, there is a notification that, oh boy. There we go. So we have the tethering or hotspot active notification. And when you tap on it, it brings you straight to the settings, so you can quickly toggle it off once you're done with it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.